We have started the journey from Joshore to Khulna, our state, our country state, Khulna, my state, and my city Joshore. We are traveling to Khulna. We have just started by rickshaw to reach out the Joshore station, railway station. See the scenery, roadside. We are almost around the station. Look, the station is looking. Yeah, now we have reached the stations. We are waiting for the train to go to Khulna. The train will race in front of us within few minutes. This is the station, Joshua. Lots of people are waiting here. One train already here, but this train is not our train. We are going into the train. Yeah, we have started the journey. Beautiful scenery. Look out of train, and in this train, this is in indoor. The train. The journey started. Very beautiful scenery. This is Bangladesh. Only green. Lots of people in this train. Very big train, obviously. Now we have reached Khulna railway station. Our goal. Very beautiful. Very beautiful station. This is. Wow. Look like I have reached a foreign country. Wow. Nice. Very nice station. Just starting. Also the station building something far from now. We will drop down from the train very soon. We see passenger waiting place for the train. We have dropped down from the train. We are at Khulna railway station now. We see city and lots of people. Look, lots of people walking here. Many people, many people. This is Khulna railway station. We are here to visit a bridge actually. Very nice bridge. We will go there. Stay with us. Lots of people. This is train engine, a new train engine imported from USA. Very powerful engine. Now this is the building of the railway station. Very nice. The TT checking our ticket. We are legal or illegal. I have showed him my ticket. This is my ticket. Yeah, we are going in the building to go out to the city. Lots of people, that's why it's taking time to check their tickets. Yeah, now we are in the station building. Very nice decoration this is. Now we are going to the bridge that was looking for. We are to reach out Khulna. We are going to Rupsha bridge to see. And this is a vehicle, it's called easy bike. Easy bike, that means it's very easy to drive. Yeah, this is the road to go to the Rupsha bridge. Very nice road. It's a high road actually. 4 lane. We are on the Rupsha bridge. Look, cargo in the river. This is Rupsa River, this is Rupsa bridge. Very nice. Look, the Khulna city on the top. Yeah, vehicles are going.